Greetings from the Samvad. My name is Kana Mishra and I'm the Operations Associate for the Samvad Media House. Hope you are keeping safe and well during these extraordinary times. Due to some medical emergency, our co-founders could not be present for this presentation, so I will be taking you through a startup that we are working on. We the Samvad are a media-based startup looking to change the bearing of the way news is presented in a country. A problem that is going out of bounds in India is the problem of misinformation and intolerance, the flag bearers of which are none other than the media houses and news channels. The Samvad is going to change this problem once and for all. Our product will show unbiased and authentic news, duly stating the sources used for the same. Not only this, our app will have provisions for the users to share their own opinions, and the users will be exposed to the whole political spectrum, that is the right, left, and center ideology with each political news, so that they may form their own opinions and stay miles away from polarization. As stated by the poet R.M. Rilke, a work of art is good if it has grown out of necessity. The foundation of Samvad has been laid out on a similar ideology. There is an urgent need to bring about a drastic change in the news and media domain of a country, and the Samvad is determined to do so through thick and thin. We are a team of like minded individuals looking to solve a problem that profoundly vexes us, and we are bent on making this startup work through all odds. We complement each other in terms of skill, and we share the same values and work ethics. We started off with an idea, hoping for it to be a reality it is now, and we are working even harder to scale a company. The founders of Samvad are people whose experiences are only surpassed by their willingness to work for a change. One of the co founders, Aryan Trivedi, is a fourth year undergraduate student of mechanical engineering at BITS Pilani Goa campus, having served as the operations head of its ESL. Aryan is currently working as a business associate at Grow and has previously interned at W Mall, Front Row, Airmeet, and Trell for business related roles. The next co-founder, Ankit Anand, is a third year student of MSc Physics with Mechanical Engineering at BITS Pilani Goa campus and is currently serving as the marketing head of its ESL. Ankit has previously interned at Pushstart and Cytex. Our tech lead is Ishant Gupta, who is a fourth year undergraduate student of computer science at BITS Pilani Goa campus, having served as the chief of its programming club. Ishant is currently working as a software development engineer at Mobile Premier League and has previously interned at Almabase, Karya, and Helix Tech. We have a team of avid interns who are always willing to go an extra mile when it comes to working for someone, working in verticals like operations, content, and design. We want to revolutionize the media sector. In the media, in the digital media space, we aim at becoming one of the top houses to provide unbiased news. We are working towards the same, and we have over 23K followers on our Instagram page, and our reach is more than 3 million. Moreover, our app will promote the users to form their own opinions based on the unregulated and authentic news on their feed. Our main target audience include the youth of the nation who would later lead the nation into a brighter future. When it comes to a monetization strategy, we are adopting an ad-based premium model. We would first allow our user base to grow, and after reaching a certain threshold, we aim at starting a premium model which would include premium posts and advertisements, which are flashcards to a news article. Apart from that, we might be adding a paid subscription model as well. We have great experience and exposure in this socio-political field, and we have been working in this field for over a year and a half. We have a good user base on our Instagram page, and our content team is well equipped and experienced. A brand presence and image in this field is what puts us apart from the major players. Thank you.